Hi everyone, this is Heather and I'd like to welcome you to Kwixand Solutions demo video for Dynamics 365 Business Central. Today we're going to see how to assign dimensions, and then after we've assigned those dimensions we're going to go in and we're going to look at them under the analysis view. So prior to doing this demo video, I set up a dimension code called project. And under project, I also set up a few dimension values. I set up 101, 102, and 103, just to show you that you can set up as many dimension values as you require. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you how to assign the dimension to a purchase invoice. So we'll just open up this purchase invoice. I'll add in vendor invoice number and I'm going to assign the quantity. So from here, now that everything's in and the totals are all good, I am going to go into line, related information, and dimensions. And under dimension code, I'm going to select project. And under dimension value code, I'm going to select my project value. So I'm going to select 103 silver spoons. Close that. Everything looks good. So now I'm going to post. Now that our purchase invoice is posted and we've assigned the dimension code, we are going to use our search for page and we are going to bring up the analysis view. So here you can see I've already set up projects. So we are going to update. We'll go analysis by dimension. So right here you can see it says show as columns. I'm going to change this to show as projects. So then my project numbers, my dimension values will show up here. I have also set it up so that I am doing the account filter based on inventory range. So my inventory retail. So here I'll just do my date range. Okay, so everything looks good. And so now all I need to do is show my matrix. So here you can see each project, 101, 102, and 103, the costs that have been allocated to them. And if you click on here, it will drill down and show you the entries. And even further, you could drill down to show even further entries. So you can it shows you the details of that specific entry. So that's it. That's how we assign the dimensions, and we can view our dimensions through the analysis view. That brings us to the end of our video on assigning dimensions and using analysis view. Thanks for joining us. If you want to learn more, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos on Dynamics 365 Business Central. You can also visit us at Kwixand.com for more resources and articles around Business Central. Click on the links in the description below for more details. Thanks for watching.